This special machine is called a harvester, and it's used to chop down trees. Here comes the driver. Up into the cab he goes. Today he is going to cut down some trees that will be made into fence posts. The harvester has lots of big wheels to help it drive over bumpy ground. Wow, it is very bumpy here. The harvester is cutting down a huge tree. It is so clever, it can cut the branches off. And it can even chop it up.
Look at this machine!
Wow!
It's cutting down willow trees.
Tractor Ted has found an excavator with a tree shear. It's pollarding the willow trees. Pollarding is a way of cutting the trees so they don't grow too tall, and it will help them live longer. It cuts the trunk, then stacks them all in a pile.
Look, Midge, it's got caterpillar tracks.
I like calling them clatter-patter tracks.
The muck is loaded into the muck spreader.
I'm not going to get too close. Ooh-wee!
Look, Midge, there's the combine harvester.
This combine has caterpillar tracks. The farmer turns the key to start the combine.
It's really noisy!
Look, Midge, now I know why the header isn't on the combine. It wouldn't have got through the gate if it was.
I'm going to watch from over here.
Now they need to put on the header. The farmer lines up the combine harvester and attaches the header. Now he just needs to plug it all in. Once the combine harvester is in position, it is started up.
With its own crane? Whatever next?
And it's a really big lorry. I'd better get out of the way.
Tractor Ted and Midge watch as the driver uses a grab to pick up the straw and load it into the lorry. All of this is going to be used to make mushroom food too.
Midge! Midge! Where's she gone?
I was saying hello to the horses.
Look! Almost all the straw's been loaded. The lorry's nearly full.
I wouldn't stand there if I was you, Tractor Ted.
That was funny.
I won't stand so close next time. Come on, we need to get back to Farmer Tom. What a lot of machines we saw today, Midge.